like chocolate, like brownies, like cookies, this is the cookie for you. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having a good day. If not, please, I know it'll get better. My name is t.kvintage and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thank you for stopping by. But today we are going to be making a hot chocolate brownie cookie with peppermint sides. This is my favorite cookie. I tend to make this cookie a lot. Mine is the peppermint. Peppermint is just for Christmas. I'm not a huge fan of peppermint, but with this cookie, it's delicious for the holidays. I will be showing you how to make these cookies, and if you don't have time, they are made to order at my page. Please go ahead and send these cookies out to family and friends, or even to yourself if you don't have time to make these cookies. I do make them to order. Once again, I want you guys to have the freshest cookies out there. Once I bake it, cool it, it's immediately sent to you guys. But if you do have time, here's the video on how to make them. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. But we're going to get started because I don't want to waste any more time. Let's make these cookies.